The commercial double-deck pizza oven is designed with safety in mind, boasting certifications that ensure both safety and sanitation standards are met. This oven can accommodate pizzas up to 16 inches, providing even cooking and perfect leoparding on thin-crust pizzas at 550 degrees in 6 to 8 minutes. Its intelligent cavity design, complete with large heating elements and an oven light, facilitates a seamless cooking process without the need to rotate pizzas. With Prisdeck control, users can independently set upper and lower temperatures, making it versatile for a variety of foods and ensuring perfect results with its 60-minute timer and audible alarm. Constructed with durable stainless steel and aluminized steel interiors, this oven is built to withstand the demands of a commercial kitchen while remaining easy to clean. The full insulation on all sides keeps the interior temperature consistent and the exterior cool, enhancing safety and efficiency in a busy restaurant environment.